Okay, welcome to Amaya Learning. Now we will again start. I'll repeat the last part. We'll again start that rational number section. So, beta, first part we have studied in rational number section is those numbers which are non-repeating and terminating. Non-repeating and terminating are called rational numbers.
Rational number.
This is one of the rational number, part of rational number means those numbers which are non-repeating and terminating, means which will not repeat itself. Like one number I am writing 4.31321478541234567. So this number is exactly kept on repeating, kept on, some numbers are kept on coming. Okay, but one type of rational number, so this is not this type. This type is non-repeating. Like in denominator, listen to me very nicely. In denominator, if either 5 or 2 will be there, or any other number will be there which will divide the numerator, then it will be non-repeating and terminating. I will show you all the examples, okay, one by one. So first, repeating non-terminating example, second, third and fourth. So if a number is coming as 4 by 3, okay, I'll take 24 by 3, okay, or 24 by 3 into 2. Then is it non-repeating? Is it
Yes, ma'am.
terminating? Yes. How? Look here. 24 by
4, ma'am.
6 fours are 24. So one single number you got, which will not be repeated. Here only the digit is ending. It is not, no repetition is there. Now beta, next number, check. 41 by 25. Is it not terminating? You will say, auntie, this is also terminating. How this is terminating, auntie? Because 25 is there. So it will be 5 into 5. Correct only. Ashwin is telling, yes, ma'am, Keshav. So I think everyone understood now. But 25. So here what will be multiplying here? 4. Very good. 4 denominator, 4 numerator. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So 25 into 4 is 100. So it will come 1.64. Beta, is it repeating after decimal? No. So that's why it is called as non-repeating. It is exactly terminated. Terminated means it is getting end here. So since it is getting end here, that's why it is called as terminated. We have finished it. Now there is no continuation. That's why it is called as terminating. So one type of rational number is called as non-repeating and terminating. So denominator, that number should be there. How 4 is coming? Okay, Kanishka, I'm clearing your doubt, beta. Look here. If 7 by 5 is there, if only one single digit 5 is there in denominator, then multiply with only 2. Okay. If 7 by 2 is there, then with what number you are going to multiply? With, you are going to multiply it with 5. Very good, Vishal. Now, if someone will give you 18 by 4, so first we will cancel it, 9 by 2. Then 9 by 2 will multiply with what? 1, 5. So that it will become 10. Are you understanding? But if 41 by 4 is there, then beta, 4 means 2 into 2. 2 times 2 is there. So 2 times 5 we will multiply. Are you understanding that beta, if 4 will be there, then 2 5 will multiply. Then only na beta, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 will come. Yes or no? Keshav is telling yes. Ashwin is telling. Divyashri is telling yes. Everyone is telling. Kanishka is telling yes. Now you understood, beta. Now you understood this section, how this 4 and 2 is coming. Super. So one type of rational number is called as non-repeating and terminating. Okay. Now beta, second type rational number, which is the second type of rational number? Non-repeating and terminating is first type. Non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Beta 3 by 10 is non-repeating. 3 by 10 when you are writing na beta, it will come 0.3. It is terminating and non-repeating. 0.3 is terminating and non-repeating. What is 0.3? 0.3 is terminating and non-repeating. Okay, bacha? 0.3 is terminating and non-repeating. But beta, if someone will give you 10 by 3, now you are going correct, Keshav. 3 by 9. They are what? They are non-terminating. Let's see, are they terminating or not? Let's see. Divide 10 by 3. Beta, because in numerator, it is terminating and non-repeating. Okay, then 3 threes are 9, 1.0, 3 threes are 9, 1 again 0, 3 threes are 9, 1. So here beta 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, correct Keshav, it is getting repeated. So beta, to stop this, we are putting a bar on it. So we are writing 3.3 bar. What we are writing there? 3.3 bar. That means now we, bar means one single 3 is repeated. So now let's see 11 by 7. Beta, whenever odd number will be there other than 5, odd number other than 5, and it is not dividing the numerator, and it is not dividing the numerator, then it will be non-terminating and repeating. Then it will be what? Non-terminating and repeating. I repeat my words. Then it will be exactly non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Okay, non-terminating and repeating. Let's see 7, how to do this one. It is coming 4, 0, then 7 5s are 35, then again 5 beta, then again 0, 7 7s are 49, again coming 1, again here 0, then again 7 1s are 7, 3, 0, 7 4s are 28, then again 4 coming 0. So again 40 is coming, then again you will write 5, then it will come 35, then 5, decimal 0, then again 7 7s are 49, again 1 0 will come, then again 7. That means what beta? 5 7 1 4, it keeps on repeating. 5 7 1 4, 5 7 1 4, 5 7 1 4. That means these digits 5 7 1 4, 5 7 1 4 keeps on repeating. So 1.5714, we will put a bar on 5714 because these 4 digits are repeating again and again. So that's why it is called as repeating and non-terminating. Repeating and non-terminating. You can write the example for this, repeating and non-terminating. Repeating and non-terminating. Okay. So repeating and non-terminating. Shall we see another example? 31 by 7. Now tell me, 31 by 7 is repeating and non-terminating or opposite? Okay, tell me the answer. 31 by 7. 31 by 7. 31 by 7. Tell me answer, beta. 31 by 7 is what? Very good. Repeating and non-terminating. Beta, because the number will keep on repeating after certain interval and then it will not be terminating. Means you cannot finish this number. You cannot end this number. It will keep on repeating after an interval. It will keep on repeating after an. Very good, Ashwin. Very good, Keshav. It is repeating and non-terminating. Okay. So we are going to keep it till here. Next class, again, we will study about the next part type that is called as irrational number. Okay. Very good, beta. Today performance was very awesome. Kanishka, Ashwin, all of you have performed very well. Now next class. Okay, Jiva is also telling. Okay, bye everyone.